Hi everyone. Today let's take a moment to reflect on the story of Dr. Willie Ong. Kilala natin siya bilang isang doktor who has been tirelessly helping millions of Filipinos with his health tips and advocacy. Ngayon, Dr. Willie is facing one of the toughest battles in his life, a rare and aggressive form of cancer. Hindi biro ang ganitong laban, and while he is undergoing treatment abroad, it's a reminder that even someone as strong as giving as Dr. Willie needs to be financially prepared for these unexpected challenges. Napakaswerte niya dahil he can afford to seek treatment abroad where medical advancements are top-notch. But it raises a very important question for all of us, especially for doctors and professionals like him. Are you financially ready if life throws you a curveball like this? As doctors, alam na natin na ang focus nyo is always to help others. Pero minsan we forget to prepare ourselves for financial impact of illnesses, disabilities, or even unexpected events. Did you know that many doctors, despite their income, face challenges when it comes to securing long-term financial security, lalo na kapag biglang may nangyari sa kanila? Here's where Pru Lifetime Income can play a vital role. This is not just about life insurance. It's about ensuring you have a guaranteed yearly income, money that you can rely on regarding of what happens. Imagine this. Habang malakas ka pa, you're already building a future na hindi ka lang basta umaasa sa kita ng clinic or sa hospital. With Pro Lifetime Income, you can ensure that even during tough times, may pension ka to cover your expenses, your treatments, and most importantly, to secure your family's futures. Hindi naman sa lahat ng oras ay malakas tayo. We've seen it time and time again. Many high-income professionals like doctors fall short when it comes to long-term financial planning. Based on studies, over 50% of professionals struggles with planning for their retirement or unexpected health issues. This is why risk management is crucial. We may not always know what lies ahead, but we can always prepare. Kaya mga doc, professionals, business owners, ask yourself, if something were to happen tomorrow, will you have the financial stability to continue supporting your family and continue receiving income even when you're no longer able to work? Let's take Dr. Willie's story as a reminder that life is unpredictable, but with the right planning, we can all face these challenges head on. Ang lahat ng ito ay hindi lang para sa inyo, kundi para sa mga mahal ninyo sa buhay. I'm Warren Caberto, and for the past 11 years in the life insurance industry, I've been helping people like you secure their future. I'm not just your financial advisor, I'm your risk management partner. Let's design a plan that gives you peace of mind you deserve, guaranteed for life. Message me today and let's start planning your legacy just like what Dr. Willie would advise his patients to do. After all, we may face challenges, but together we can win.